Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have this Proscenic P16 vacuum cleaner. This is a unique vacuum cleaner because the wand, actually the floor wand, is bendable to up to 180 degrees. So, you can bend it 90 degrees, get under couches, and even steeper if you need to go backwards. Comes with the manual, the brush cleaner. The strength of the vacuum is really impressive, 45,000 kilopascals, as well as a 55-minute runtime battery. So very long-acting battery, as well as a very strong suction power, especially for a battery-operated vacuum like this. Comes with an extra filter, as well as screws for the mount. The floor attachment is on the heavier side so that it allows you to dig into the carpet fibers. So this is strong enough battery vacuum to use on carpet as well as hardwood floors. The battery itself is on the heavier end as well because it's a 55-minute runtime battery. And here's the vacuum cleaner itself. The battery just slides in just like so. Now click it in place like that. And to remove it, you press the red button and pull it out. You don't need to remove it unless you need to replace the battery, but you can remove it by pressing that button. To charge, you're going to plug in the adapter right here. Let's go ahead and attach some attachments. The crevice tool here is a multi-purpose tool, but it does already have an attachment attached to it. For example, the brush attachment is pre-attached to the vacuum itself, so it reduces the amount of attachments you have to keep track of. This one's pre-attached. You just slide it back, and the crevice tool just goes up like this. Press the red button to remove it. So super easy to get it into the crevice mode. Press the power button to turn it on. You can see the screen on the back. You hit this button to increase the strength, the turbo, eco mode, normal mode, and turbo mode. So it'll tell you the runtime. For example, the battery is about 70% charged. It's saying 30-minute runtime on eco, 19-minute on turbo, normal, and then 9 minutes on turbo. Super easy to attach the floor attachment. To bend it, all you have to do is press this button here, and it allows you to bend it. There's a green light here. The importance of the green light is it allows you to pick up the dust particles better. For example, there's a tiny dust particle there. The green light allows you to look at the dust particles better in this light. And the roll of the brush is quiet. The actual device is very stable. The floor attachment rolls very easily on the floor. So let's go ahead and vacuum this area. I'm just going to use the normal mode. It does make it really easy to see the dirt with this green light. To remove the floor attachment, all you have to do is press that red button and pull it out. To empty the trash container, as you can see, just from that much vacuuming, it's picked up quite a bit of dirt in here. And to empty it, all you have to do is press this red button and it'll pop the dirt container open. And you can see it's picked up a lot of stuff already. All right, I'm vacuuming on the carpet. Now we're going to see how good of a brush it is on the carpet. Then we're going to put it on turbo mode. I can actually feel the suction holding onto the rug, the carpet fibers, so it's actually doing a pretty decent job here to vacuum on the carpet as well. I pressed the red button and activated the bend on the wand here, so let's go ahead and try that out. Even with the bend, it's actually pretty easy to maneuver. I can turn it whatever angle I want. I'm really happy with how well this vacuum performs, how easy it is to maneuver, how easy it is to get below surfaces like beds, couches, and the suction strength. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.